Yo, what is up, YouTube and the Monster Club? It is yours truly, the life of the party, the young Gohart and pure evil PLUR, who I did rave community, because I am the party monster. Back in the house with Monster, back out with a brand new video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys all my pickups from Rolling Loud, Miami. I was just there last week. Had a good time. Unfortunately, didn't have as much money as I wanted to have when I was out there, but still made the most of it nonetheless. And I have some really dope pickups to show you guys. Hope you guys enjoy. If you guys haven't already, smash that subscribe button. Road to 1,000 subscribers starts right now. You guys have been killing it, so let's just keep it up. Anyway, without further ado, let's get it. Okay, guys. Before we start off this video, we gotta do a toast to the Monster Club, the best club on YouTube. Salute to you guys. July was insane, even though I didn't post as many videos as I wanted to. You guys still enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe button, joined up, and let's just keep up the good work. And let's know August, your boys got some trips planned out, so just know the content is coming and it's gonna be a fun time. But anyways, getting right into my first couple of pickups. The first one is actually on my neck. It is this sweatband that they handed out at the White Claw tent at Rolling Loud, and salutes to them on that one. For those that don't know, or might have not been able to guess, Miami in the middle of July is a damn oven. Felt like it was 200 degrees out there, so your boy was sweating profusely. So they did this in some ice water, and for about 20 minutes or so, I felt great out there, but then it just evaporated, and it was just kind of like just having another hat on my head. So there was that. And next up, I got this from the quarter deck bar that I went to by the beach. It's actually the day I missed my flight and everything, so I had to make the most of that day. So I ended up having some drinks. The bartender was really cute and awesome. Hooked me up with this cup, and I got to go drink on the beach, so that was just really chill and just a fun time. Okay, guys, so moving right along. There were honestly two things that I wanted on this vacation, and I knew one was going to be at the Marlins game and one was going to be at Rolling Loud itself. But anyway, the first one was the thing that I wanted from the Rolling Loud event, and it was this hydration pack and everything. And I think you guys are questioning, why do I want one of these so bad? And the answer is because someone stole my phone from me at the last Moonrise event that I went to. I want to say 2019 or 18. And yeah, I was super bummed and everything. I don't know how they got it. Like, I get it, they're pickpocketers and whatnot. But my thought was, if I had a chest pack and everything, my phone was in my front, they're not going to take it from the front of my bag. Like, unless they want to go meet Jesus that day, like, they're not that bold and blazing. So I got one of these. So going forward, I'm going to have peace of mind when I go to, like, events and everything. Because I go to events all the time. So my phone, keys, money is all going to be in front of me. And a little bit of a bonus, I didn't know it did this, but there is a part, like, I don't know if you can see it right here, that hydrates you and everything, which is important because when you're at raves, you're around people all day and it's hot. You're liable to pass out, so you can fill it up with water and stay hydrated the entire time. And kind of crazy enough, as I was buying that, there was actually another version of the pack that I saw that I was contemplating getting. They were both the same price, but this one happened to be in front of you, so this is why I went with this one. But I literally, kid you not, 2 seconds later, just found this chilling, and I was like, you know what? It's mine now. So here's the other variation of it. This one actually goes behind the back and everything. It's super dope, but honestly, I don't trust people that much because if my phone's behind me, that means the pickpocket is also behind me, can also try to get my phone or whatever I have in my pocket. So yeah, I got this. I'll end up using it at some point, but I don't know. I'm not going to probably use it for like the bigger festival. I kind of forgot to mention like little details, even if you can clearly see it. It definitely says Rolling Loud in the front. It has like the little Rolling Loud emblem on the bottom. Super dope. I love the details and everything, especially if you're spending $4 on a bag. Like, why not get some details and whatnot? You have your front pocket right here, and you have a back pocket as well, which is more for like the hydration part of the bag and everything, which again, it's hit or miss if I'm going to use it or not, but it's there nonetheless. I'm going to be putting my phone, wallet, all my personal stuff in here, and going to be feeling pretty secure that day. Oh, and the other one, for those that are curious, it says the Ravers pack, which, whatever. Okay, guys, so now we're about to sum it up with the biggest pickups of the vacation. And this was kind of tough because they were just so many hats I saw that day that I just really loved, but I kind of had to narrow it down to like 3 or 4. I probably could have got 1 or 2 more, but you know, I was super limited on space in my backpack and everything, and I only had the backpack with me on my trip, so I kind of had to limit it. But getting right into it, this all actually came from Lids Besides One, which we're gonna get into in like 2 seconds. First off, we have this Tampa Bay Rays hat, and this is definitely the hat that was more on the borderline. I love the Rays; they're like my favorite baseball team and whatnot. Well, in their league and everything, but yeah, I really love the old school Tampa Rays. It's like back in '99 when Wade Boggs was out there doing this thing. You have your Tampa Bay Rays patch on the side, and yeah, it definitely brings back fond memories. So again, I had to have it. Like it's here, and it was on sale too, so that was pretty cool. Next up, we have the LA Lakers City Edition jersey hat. Matches the jersey I got last year when I was in LA. And yeah, for those that don't know, I do like the Lakers, for those that couldn't tell already. But yeah, I wanted to get this from my old job, but then I got fired. And yeah, I actually got really lucky. This hat was like $25, so I had to pick it up. And continuing with that same thing, we have the Lakers Just Don hat. I know this hat cost a pretty penny. At one point, it was $75. So to get it for $25, it was a no-brainer. I actually saw one for the Heat as well, but I just don't really care that much about the Heat. I'm, Lakers guy. So again, can't wait to run. That might be the Complex Con hat, to be real with you guys. And like I mentioned earlier in the video, there were 2 things I really wanted from the Miami trip, and one was at the Marlins game. The throwback Florida Marlins hat. 30th anniversary patch on the side. But little did I know, I could have very easily gotten this same hat from Lids. I could have gotten it offline. They actually now have it on the MLB website, but I got it from the Marlins game itself, and it just made it a little bit more special. Honestly, I know I could have gotten it damn near everywhere. I would just probably gotten the City Connect hat, but you live and learn. And probably my favorite hat that I picked up at Lids that day is this one right here, the Miami Marlins Giants hat, or the Miami Giants hat, I should say. Check it out, Miami on the back. I just love that emblem and everything. I love this cream-colored hat, and you got your big patch on the side, big patch on the other side. Like this, a dark shirt, some jeans. You got some killer fits on this with this one, but yeah. Definitely my favorite hat pickup of the day. Okay, guys, so that's going to do it for this pickup video from Rolling Out Miami. But let me know what you think in the comments section. Honestly, there were definitely more that I could have picked up. Do I have room for more pickups? Hell no. But will I be going out there again and going ham? Of course, I'm bringing a bigger bag, more cash, and it's going to be a fun trip. And I had a fun trip this time, but it's going to be a whole different vibe and everything. Like, I'm definitely going to come back for the things that I've missed, and I might get some new stuff and vice versa. Who knows? But overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, hit the like button. Definitely share it with a friend. And as always, you guys have been killing this part. If you feel the vibe, hit subscribe. You guys can follow me on Twitter at PartyMonster1 and on Instagram at PartyMonster05. But until then, don't be a dick. Be excellent to each other and party on, dudes. Peace. I love y'all. Bye.